Hello everyone, I'm just gonna quickly show you the package what I received today. It's not mine, it is for the church, but it came to my address of course because I ordered it. So it's again something what I'm not really have too much experience with it. So I'm just gonna quickly show you. It's like ADATA HD650 external hard drive. So let me just quickly, before I unbox it, so probably here is the invoice, and it's also I ordered a little carry case. All these came from a Hungarian store. So I ordered this case for this. I hope it's gonna fit because that amount was needed to have the free shipping. So you know, if it costs almost the same, like why not? So let me quickly unbox it. Okay, it's sealed. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the back real quickly. If you are interested, you can pause the video and you can read these. I hope it's focusing right. Okay, so here is this hard drive. It's a little dustier than I would expect out of the box, let me say that, but it seems alright. And I believe this rubber something is removable, but I'm not gonna force it because it is just there for a reason, I guess. So here is the cable what came with it. This is some weird cable. Probably it's not so weird if you use external hard drives, but I never had this kind of cable before, as I never had a external drive. I wouldn't mind to have it a little longer cable. Let me quickly check if it fits inside this case. And yes, it fits perfectly. The cable fits in the other side. So I guess it's ready to go. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.